good morning. So I was just having my breakfast. It's around 9:30 right now. I haven't filmed in a really long time, I would say. I went to Alibag last week and I thought that I'll vlog, which I did not vlog. But what happened is when I was on that trip, we went boating, and I think the salt water and just the beach water and everything really got to me. And uske baad there was this huge mango tree right outside my friend's bungalow where we were staying. So we obviously got like a lot of mangoes, but those were like raw mangoes. Like I seasoned it with turmeric and salt and all these spices, and I kept it in the fridge and didn't realize, and baad mein काफ़ी ठंडा हो गया था, but I was just so tempted to eat it, so I just had it, and I had an entire raw mango all by myself. I think that is really what got me so sick. Yeah, I haven't been this sick in so long. Like I was literally on my bed, and yeah, now I'm fine, I'm recovering. But yeah, it's just something that I wanted to put it out there. So this video is going to be relatively like slow and calm, and I really hope you enjoy it. Later now, and I thought I'll come here and show you guys a couple of my favorite products from Plum, and something that I think everyone should have now that it's summers. These products will also help with tan and dullness this summers. Also, Plum, thank you for sponsoring this part of the video. So the first product that I want to talk to you guys about, and I'm pretty sure you guys must be remembering, last year around this time I had a really bad time with my skin. I had a lot of acne, and that was the time when I started using Plum's green tea range, and I loved each and every product. But the one product that I'm pretty sure I still have in my vanity is this one, which is Plum's Renewed Clarity Night Gel. As you can see, it's almost over. I don't have it as much, but yeah, this is the product that I absolutely love. It's perfect because of its texture. It's non-sticky, non-oily, non-greasy. Makes it perfect if you have oily skin type. Now this is Plum's green tea face wash. It's really nice. Of green tea extract. It also has glycolic acid. It also has natural cellulose beads in it, so it kind of exfoliates your skin and makes it look all radiant and nice. Next product is a definite must-have according to me. It's a face mist. I really like how they hydrate and gives your skin that boost that your skin needs, especially during summers. Your skin tends to get all tired and dull. This has aloe juice. It also has a lot of natural goodness, and yeah, no doubt it also has green tea in it. Chamomile and white tea. It's a glow getter face mask. The face mask has white bentonite, kaolin, and the mixture of chamomile extract. When you first apply it, you may feel the tingling sensation, and later on it fades away obviously, but it feels really good and also cool. It has chamomile and white tea. It's Sure Matte Day Cream, has SPF of 50, and I think I really don't have to stress enough on how much one should use SPF every single day, even if you're out indoors. Even if you're indoors, make sure that you're using a sunscreen at all times, and this lasts you about 6 hours, so that's pretty good. Okay, not going to lie, I really like the texture of the sunscreen. It's lightweight. Most of the sunscreens are pretty thick, but this is really nice. Now you can send all your Plum empties back and earn reward points. Check their empties for good initiative from the link below. If you want to get through your summers with an ease, and if you're obviously tired of the dull looking skin, please go ahead and get these products. I'll have all the links in the description bar below, and they were kind enough to provide me with a coupon code, so it will be here on the screen. You can use that and get extra 10% off. So go get your skin ready, summer ready. I think I definitely needed to do the face mask thing because my skin, I haven't done my skincare routine. Like this is the first time that I must have not done my skincare routine for a week straight, so I really didn't do that. And yeah, I thought that this mask will give me all the goodness. It's also supposed to be used during and after your skin has been exposed to sun, and honestly I forgot, or I just didn't have the energy to apply SPF this past week. So this is what my skin really needs, honestly. So yeah, I'm just going to like let it be and then wash it off. सकाळी उठल्यापासून चहा घेतला आणि ते रताळ आणि दूध आणि really what my routine has been. So today though I'm like fine. I mean most of the days I have been fine. It's just that I really haven't worked because yeah, it's on camera, everything is on camera and you need to look good and look all happy and like everything's fine and normal. So that is the reason I really didn't film. And it's been 2 days that I've been feeling really good. So my mom calls me around this time. She's like, okay, what did you eat? So I have to tell her everything. Okay, I ate this, I did this, I did that. And then she's like, okay. And I don't know, not that I mean I did not have COVID or anything, but while I was sick, this is just something that came to my mind. Like, it is so bad, right? Like, you really had to isolate yourself and take care of your, because the first day that I remember when I was sick, I fell sick, and that's really the first time I honestly did fall sick this entire year. So it was very difficult for me to just get myself out of my bed and do like normal regular house chores. So much energy, and I felt like it is just taking so much out of me. And yeah, like COVID is such a stupid thing, I feel, man. Like, where usually, you know, like I remember the only one time that I was admitted was when I got dengue, which was yeah, I don't remember, I was pretty young then. And I was admitted, but I had my parents around me and they took care of me. But yeah, COVID is just so bad, right? Like, you really have to be by yourself and just take care of your own self. And yeah, it's really shitty. It's just something that came to my mind. I don't know if it's just to me, but even last year, whenever something has happened, even if like I felt a little uneasy, the first thought that used to come to my mind is like, is it COVID? Is it COVID? So yeah, that is why I think it was just normal for me to think about all that. And I did fall into that trap of just thinking stupid things, but now I feel much better. Thank God, I'm fine. Drinking coconut water. So I've been like drinking coconut water every single day for the past 1 week now. Uske pehle I used to include it like bi-weekly or so. It's really good for hair and skin, and right now it's helping. Like, this is the only thing in my day that's giving me life. Like, I really look forward to drinking my coconut water because yeah, it's so refreshing. Like, tender coconut water. The last time I said coconut water, everyone's like, it's called tender coconut water and not coconut water. But yeah, I'm just going to drink my coconut water now. Would know, last year during lockdown, when I was staying with my parents, my plants died, and I had this very nice tall and beautiful rubber plant which also died. So uske baad I never really bought one. And then Samad's friend the other day, she had just visited me for the first time, so she got me a rubber plant. And if you're watching Prajakta, thank you so much for this. Really like the plant. And yeah, I'm just going to let them sit in water and also sun for some time. I usually do this once a week, but I couldn't do it last week, and I knew that I had to do it because yeah, it's like, you know, if you take care of your plants, only then they thrive and grow. This is turning out to be more like a getting my life on track sort of a vlog. But yeah, I feel really good when my plants are thriving, so I'm just going to do that. I've also put that bow on that tree because the plants, because the leaves, they keep falling off, so just to hold them together, I've put that right there. received my Amazon package like yesterday or day before yesterday, and I thought it would be fun to show you guys everything that I got, like a little grocery pantry haul for you guys. So the first thing that I got are chia seeds. I'm super excited to make that chia seed overnight pudding. Yeah, I'm so excited to have that. So for that I got this, and this is also rich in calcium, magnesium, and rich in fiber, omega-3, so good. So I got 2 of those. The next thing that I got are roasted pumpkin seeds. Now again, something that I got to munch on, or also to just you know, put in my smoothies or just my smoothie bowls. That's why I got it. The next thing that I got are flax seeds. These are so good. Like, I remember I used to have these so much growing up. Then yeah, I don't know what happened and I stopped eating these. The other day, my hair, oh my god, every single time I wash my hair is a mess. Okay. The other day I saw this girl, she used flax seeds on her hair, but yeah, I've never tried that, so I thought I'll try that hair mask. At the same time, this is something so good if you consume it, like for your hair and skin, so that's why I got it. Yeah, 2 of these as well. Next up, I got some sunflower seeds. I don't know if I can grow a sunflower plant out of this, but I'll try. I'll really try sowing one of this. And these aren't roasted or anything, so yeah, I'm hoping it should grow. So those are sunflower seeds. Then I also got hazelnut spread. So this is by the Butternut Co. It doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, that's why I got it. I'm super excited to try this because I've cut down my sugar intake completely. So yeah, something that I have to have every single day. I mean, I eat 1 apple and like 1 tablespoon of peanut butter every single day with it. So this is why I got it. This is a peanut butter unsweetened, and this is also crunchy. Let me know, how do you like your peanut butters? Do you like it crunchy or creamy? Let me know. So yeah, this is also from Butternut Co. Usually I used to get the Pintola one, which is this one. I actually got this pack from Happy Jars. So it had like different kinds of, like, different flavored peanut butters. I'll show you. So this is the one. This is almond butter. Now this is peanut butter but has dark chocolate in it, and then there is this one which is just creamy and crunchy like peanut butter. The 2 which I opened and I loved them. The first one is this one. This is peanut butter, but it is chili flavored, and this one, oh my god, is so yummy and so like, especially after your meals, if you feel like having something sweet, I just take like little bit on my finger and I lick it, and it's so good. It, like, you kind of get a feeling that you're eating chocolate, but not really, because it's so healthy. And this also has like almost 0 sugar, I want to say, or low to 0 sugar, I feel. So this is almond butter, and this is my absolute favorite. Like, dark chocolate, like, yummy, so good. So yeah, those are all the things, and I think this is so good now. Like, you get to like try out things. So this is like 100 gram each, and I got this for like 300 rupees, I think, and I got 6 of them. I think pretty affordable to try it out, and if you like it, then you can go ahead and get a full size product. So yay, got these. Love them. And one more thing that I got, which is sitting right there, which is my coconut sugar. It is by Cocoa Waves. I still don't know how I feel about it, because it's only been 2 days that I've been using it, but yeah, I'll let you know.
And if child's pose is not a posture that feels loving to you, then you can start in this nice comfortable seat in your chair.
it for today's video. I know I did not really do much. I honestly wanted to do so much more, I mean in my vlogs, but I have been pretty low, and I really just didn't want to push myself. So I stayed at home and just showed you a normal day. Actually, this has been my sick day routine. This is what I have been doing even though I was sick. Tried getting out of my bed a little, moved my body a bit, and yeah, just tried drinking a lot of water, and that also helped. So I hope you enjoyed this sick day vlog, or like sick day routine, and yeah, I hope that yeah, I just hope that you enjoyed it. Yeah, I don't know if you like it or no, but let me know. Thank you for watching, and if you did like it, then I mean, I love you. And yeah, if you liked it, then please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.